Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in the last two videos we have completed the extracting of company names and extracting the company high, low, change and close values, and also we have printed it in a clean format using Python dictionaries. Okay, in this video what we are going to similar to what we have done in the past two videos. That is, in the past video we have done only for top trending stocks, but what in this video we are going to do is like we are getting the top gainers and top losers. These top gainers and top losers are the code will be in this top gainers and top losers the code will be as it is same. Okay, first we will look at the top gainers. As usual, first we'll go to the website, money control website, and I will put this link in my description box. Okay, first we'll go to the Python page. First you'll get that URL using request.get. We'll paste this URL here, dot text format. Now we will use the beautiful soap to extract the HTML language. Beautiful soap of data, comma. The format is XML, LXML. Now let's print and see what the output of the soup will be. We'll save it, clear the screen, and we'll run here. Okay, here you can see the all the HTML code on this page will be displaying, but we don't want all the stuff. First of all, what we want is we want company names. Okay, company names equals to soup dot find all. Here now we should look at it. We want this company name, that is ICICI Bank. First right click on it and click insert. Okay, it is similar to the what we have done before. It is in a span column, and within the span it is in the a link column. What we'll do is in span, and we have to also mention this class name, class underscore equals to. Here you can see the class name, that is GLD13 comma this. Okay, this is all companies. Okay, we will loop in each and every company for I in all companies. A equals to I dot. We want only the link part, that is A, and we'll just print A dot text here. We don't need quotations here. We'll save and we'll print it. Before that, we're gonna clear the screen and run it. Okay, good. We are getting all the company names here. Now we will store all these company names in a list. It's the empty list. Now just we append all the values in this list with using the append function. Okay, that's all up to for the company names. Now let's go to the high values, high price, that is oh, high. Now we want this value, right click and insert it. Okay, here you can see it is within the table row and in the within the table data, which has the attributes align right and width 75. Width differs. Using this width we can differ all these high, low, last price, previous close values. And first we have to call this table row. Okay, we'll call it table row as it is. Table row equals to soup dot should find all which has attribute table row. Okay, now what we going to do is we look for each and every value in the table row. For table, we'll call it tr. Let's call it tr table row. We want high value. First, high equals to table run or dot find all. First, now we are within this table row. Let us assume one table row. In this first, we have to loop each and every table data, and the attributes should be width equals to 75 and align equals to right. What we want first, we are go to loop for every table data which contains attributes. Width should be 75, comma align should be right. ALIGN align should be right. Okay, now what we're gonna do is now we'll loop on each and every high value for I in high. Let's print the text. Okay, we are getting good. Now what we'll do is we'll remove the commas as we have done in the previous video. I equals to I dot text dot replace comma with blank space. Here we are doing it and we convert it into a float value. Okay, instead of printing, we will append it into a list. We'll call it a company, not company names. It's company high. Blank space. Copy it and we'll append it. Append. Now let's check what the output of the company names is. It's not company, it's company high. We clear this screen and we'll run it. Okay, it's looking good. Now let's go to the company low. I think the code is almost same, but the attributes will be changing. Here the width is 75, where here the width is 80. I think the remaining part is also is as same, so that I'll just copy the code here. Paste it and we call it low. Attributes it is 80. Align right for in low. It is good, it is good. Okay, we will create it is low, and as well as here it is low. We'll save just for verification purpose. We'll print it company low. Okay, it's 650, 655. Yes, we are getting good. I think here we are getting the extra values. For this purpose, what we will do is like we will break it here and let's see what the output is. Okay, now it is good. We are getting exactly 650, 206, 419, 650, 206, 419. Now we are getting good. Okay, the company low is also over. Now we'll go to the close values. I think it's close values. That is last price. close, or it's also called as last price. It's also almost same, just we'll cross verify once. Yes, it has attributes 85. I'm gonna copy this code. I'm gonna paste it here. Mm, and it will be changed. It is 85. Okay, all is good. All is good. Here we will create empty list. It's company change, and we'll copy it and we'll paste it. And once we'll print it to cross verify the values. It's company change. We'll save it, and here we clear the screen and we'll run it again. Okay, 676,212. 676,212. It's the last value is 1590. Yeah, 1590. Yes, we are getting the exactly same values. Okay, now the next part is we have completed that change. We want now we want gain values. Okay, now we want gain values. What I think it is also same as it is gain. Okay, I'll just copy and paste it. It is gain. We'll right click it and insert it, and it has class right and width 45. As it is a top gainers, I think the class are by default it will be green because all these are top gainers. The gain nothing but it will be, it shows green, so that we can say it as it is green. The class attribute is always green, and here we should show it as 45. Fine green. Now we'll print the gain here, and let's see what the output is. Okay, there are many empty list here, so that what we'll do is like if length of gain equals to 0, then let's continue. I will save and clear the screen, and we'll run it. Okay, now it's good, looking good. We'll put text here and save, and we'll run it. Okay, there is something error here. Okay, here we want only first value itself. Instead of break, I am writing in this way. There is no such difference here. Now I will run it. Okay, everything is good. We'll just append it into any list. Company again, we'll copy. We'll append it here. Now let's save and just print once. Print company gain. We'll save and we'll run it. Okay, we are getting good enough up to here. Okay, now we look at the company change values. Okay, here right click and insert it. Okay, the main difference between the gain and changes, the width is here it is 55 and it is 45 here. It will be easy if you change only the width value. it is same as the gain code. And what we have to do is we want to just change it as 55, and everything looks good. D D D change it's capital C. We haven't declared it. Copy and then equals to enter here. Now we'll print it once to cross verify. Company change. We'll save it here, clear the screen, and we'll run it. Okay, everything looks good. Up now it is okay. Now what will now our main goal is to display it in a proper format using Python dictionaries. Okay, first we'll create a empty list company data as we have done yesterday in the last video. Okay, we'll loop on each and every value or each and every company for in its length of company names. Okay, we'll open it in a company data append. It's a dictionary format, so I'm opening the floor brackets. First we want company name, and that is it is company names of I. Again we want high value company high of I. Before that we want to convert all into a float format. It is okay, here it is converted. Here we didn't convert into a float format, float, as well as here also float. Okay, then low, company low of I. Come on, no change, company change of I. Come on, actually gain is in percentage. Yeah, we can see here it is in percentage. Gain and change, gain and I think close should be in percentage. So gaining per equals to company gain of I, close also in percentage. So company close of I. Okay, now we're gonna print it. Okay, for I in length of all the names, company names here. Okay, print comma print its company data of I, and we'll print a blank line here. Okay, we'll save it, we'll clear the screen, and we'll run it. We'll expand it. Okay, here we are getting the all the exact values here. Let's cross verify once. First one is ICICI Bank, second is ITC. Okay, here everything looks good. Okay, if you want we can sort it in ascending order, as because here you can see the change is in ascending order 3.18 2.56, and it goes on to least value Infosys, that is 0.01. Let's compare it with our results. The last one should be Infosys with 0.01. Yeah, here we can see the company name is Infosys, we got 0.01. Okay, we can, this is up to here we have completed this top gainer spot. Okay, here you can see we have completed this top gainer spot. Now the remaining is top losers. It is almost similar to the top gainers, so I'm not going to tell it again. If you want, I can provide you the link for the code. You can just look it if you have any doubts. Okay, that's all for this video. In the further videos, I will try to add React.js to this and to display the values in a proper format, and it will be keep auto updating if the website gets updated. Okay, that's all for this video, and if you really like my content, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Thank you.